In this video, we will see code implementation.
So now let's see the code implementation of our merge to sorted list. Okay, so I have list L1 and L2, both are sorted, and how I will merge them and I will create a new sorted list. Okay, so again, as we discussed, if L1 is equals to null, then what I need to do, I will simply return L2. Okay, because that is not empty. If L2 is equals to null, then I will simply return L1. So return, oh my bad, return L1. If both are null, then also it will work, because if L1 is null, I will returning L2, that is also null. So that's the only thing that I need to do. Okay, when both are null, I need to return a null. So that's okay. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply run a while loop while L1 is not equals to null and L2 it's not equals to null, both should be present. Okay, then what I will do, I will check if my L1 dot val is less than or equals to L2 dot val. What I will do, I will simply assign temp dot next equals to L1 and L1 simply move it, L1 equals to L1 dot next. Okay, I should do temp equals to temp dot next as well. Okay, but I will do it later. Then I will use else equals to temp dot next equals to L2. In the next case, suppose L2 is small, so I will connect to L2 and I will say L2 equals to L2 dot next and I will move it. And after this condition, right, remember, after this if and else condition, I will here and I will move my temp pointer, because remember we need to move our temp pointer as well. This thing I have maybe not covered in the pseudocode. Okay, then after this while loop, once you are come out from the while loop, there can be a possibility your L1 it's null. Okay, so I will mention that if L1 is not equals to null, that means okay L2 is null. Okay, so what you will do, you will simply join temp dot next equals to L1. Okay, else one possibility can be your L1 is null, so temp dot next equals to L2. Okay, and after this you will return dummy dot next, right? So we have dummy, we will return dummy not next, but we have not created a dummy. Oops, I forget a dummy. So let create dummy. So let dummy equals to that will be a new list node, that is your function. Okay, the constructor function. So we have list node with 0 and we have simply one temp variable that is pointing to dummy, right? And this temp variable now will iterate through this temp dot next. Okay, so this will be the correct code. I just missed this, that we need to create a dummy node as well, and this will be your code of that merge to linked list. Okay, so in the next video we will check how we can implement it. Basically we will check the dry run of it, how this code is actually working. Okay, so next video I will tell you complete dry run of this code.